Ever wondered what exactly goes into that jar of industrialized mayonnaise sitting in your refrigerator? Today we're peeling back the lid and diving into the creamy depths of this popular condiment. What we often overlook is that it's more than just a tasty addition to our sandwiches and salads. There's a world of hidden ingredients lurking within, and some of them could be impacting your health more than you think. Stay tuned as we uncover the hidden ingredients and health risks of this ubiquitous condiment. Industrialized mayonnaise, a frequent guest in our meals, has a secret life beyond its creamy texture and tangy flavor. It's a familiar face, seen at barbecues, sandwich spreads, and salad dressings. Its versatility is undeniable, making it a staple in many kitchens. But what's lurking behind that smooth facade? Unbeknownst to many, commercial mayonnaise often contains a cocktail of ingredients that may not be so friendly to our health. Refined oils, additives, preservatives, and a high concentration of saturated fats are often found within these jars. These ingredients, while enhancing taste and shelf life, can be linked to health concerns like elevated cholesterol levels and heightened cardiovascular risks. It's easy to overlook these facts when faced with the convenience and flavor of ready-made mayonnaise. Yet it's crucial to understand what we're really consuming. So, let's delve deeper into the health implications of these ingredients. Did you know that your favorite mayonnaise could be contributing to your cholesterol levels, or even cardiovascular risks? Think about this. Every time you reach for that jar of industrialized mayonnaise, you are potentially adding to your intake of empty calories. These are the calories we consume that offer no nutritional benefits. They are just empty. In addition, these types of mayonnaise often have hidden sugars, contributing to our daily sugar intake without us even realizing it. Now, why are empty calories and hidden sugars a problem, you might ask? Let's dive into that. When we consume more calories than our body needs for energy, it stores the excess as fat. Over time, this can lead to weight gain. Additionally, the hidden sugars can cause your body's insulin response to go into overdrive, leading to insulin resistance. This is a condition where your body's cells become less responsive to insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. This can pave the way for type 2 diabetes, and it doesn't stop there. The saturated fats in industrialized mayonnaise can raise your cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke over time. The health implications are far-reaching, and it all starts with the choices we make in our kitchens. But don't worry, there's no need to bid farewell to the creamy and flavorful world of mayonnaise. We're about to explore some delicious and healthy alternatives. Stay tuned. Yes, there's a healthier way to enjoy the creaminess and flavor of mayonnaise without the health risks. Diving into the world of healthier alternatives, it's amazing to see the variety of options that can replace traditional mayonnaise. Let's start with the homemade version. With just a few simple ingredients like olive oil, egg yolks, a dash of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt, you can whip up a batch of fresh, delicious mayonnaise. The best part? You're in control of what goes into it. Now, if you're looking for a dairy-based alternative, consider yogurt. It's not only creamy, but also packed with probiotics, which are good for your gut health. You can easily make a tangy yogurt-based spread by adding some herbs and spices. For those who favor a plant-based diet, there's no need to miss out on the creamy goodness. Avocado can be a fantastic replacement for mayonnaise. Rich in healthy fats and fiber, mashed avocado can give you the creaminess you crave while offering a host of health benefits. Lastly, for a nuttier flavor, consider tahini. Made from sesame seeds, this spread is not only delicious but also rich in antioxidants and can help reduce inflammation. These alternatives not only provide a healthier choice, but also open up a world of flavors to explore. So, are you ready to make the switch and give these healthier alternatives a try? We've ventured into the world of mayonnaise and discovered its hidden truths. From its alluring taste to the potential health risks, we've peeled back the layers, and we've found that there are healthier, equally delicious alternatives to this kitchen staple. It's clear that by making mindful food choices, we can significantly impact our health. So let's choose wisely, and remember, every small change counts towards a healthier life. See you in the next video.